from Jinan. Today's my last day here. My train is leaving tonight. I'll be back in Xi'an tomorrow. But I thought I'm going to start my day with a, local breakfast. Found some sort of porridge that I've never seen before. It looks quite tasty. And then there are two, deep fried kind of cakes. One of them has beef in it. The other one has vegetables. I'm really hungry right now, so I'm just gonna dig in and eat. And today I'm going to spend the day with my dad, and I will show you around the company where he works, and we'll probably have some really delicious food for lunch, so I'm going to show you that and some other things. Let's go. I'm in the company that my dad works in, and it's a Chinese company. They produce aircraft rivets. It's the only company in China that actually produces those rivets in German quality, which is pretty cool. The building is huge, but the actual production facility is rather small, which is kind of funny. And I know some of the office staff here from my first visit many years ago, so I'm very happy to see them again. And I'm going to show you around the facilities a bit more.
This company produces aircraft rivets. Actually, it's quite a new company based on more than 100 years of experience. So, aircraft rivets are made by first pressing them from aluminum wire, very special aluminum alloys. After the pressing operation, they go to the heat treatment. That is a very particular process, which is right here down the road. And then after heat treatment, the quality is inspected with the laboratory for the metallographic inspection. And finally, there's a dimensional check and a final quality check and the packaging, which is right over there. And from there, they go to the customers.
Economy development can never be independent. Can never be independent. China needs to establish all kinds of cooperations with other countries, Western or Eastern countries. So, and I think it's a win-win relationship for China and the foreign countries. So then, in that case, we develop together, then we can benefit together. So it's really crucial for China. And I think our government is now adopting such a open up policy to really always be welcoming the foreign companies to come to China to open up subsidiaries or establish cooperative relationships with the local companies. So personally or from the perspective of our government, China is always opening to the outside world.
Well, I have a bit of a special relationship to this company, not only because my dad is working here, but also because one of my first job that I ever had was when I was, I think, 15 or 16 years old. And I worked in this company, but at that time it was not in China, it was in Germany because my dad owned it in Germany. And I think the first summer I worked there for a few weeks, I worked in packaging. So I had to package all the rivets and label them and send them to, or get them ready for shipping. And in the next summer, I think I was working in the office, doing all the paperwork stuff. And then I do remember a few years later when the Chinese company actually bought all this stuff from Germany. We had a lot of wire like this, what you can see here in the background. We still had a lot of wire in our warehouse, and well, somebody had to label them all and make a catalog of all the things we still had in storage before they could all be sold. So I was the one who had to go through heaps and heaps and heaps of this wire stuff and record it all and make lists and all this kind of stuff to be able so that my dad could sell it all to China. So it's kind of funny to be back here and see all these things again. We are now ready to eat. We're just waiting for the food, and it turned out we're gonna go have a big business lunch with my dad's business partners, and I'm really looking forward to that food because I know it's gonna be tasty. I know it's gonna be like lots of delicious food, and I'm very happy. I'm gonna show you the food. Very excited. My trip to Jinan is over. I'm at the railway station about to take my train. It's going to leave in half an hour. It's 10 o'clock at night now, so I'm really, really tired, as you can see. And I'll get back to Xi'an tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock or 10:40 or something. And yep, tomorrow it's back to work. It's been a great time. I had 3 full days here in Jinan. It was really fun to be back, and especially to see old friends again. And yeah, I'll surely come back to Jinan at some point in the future. I hope it's not gonna take another 7 years to come back like it did now. It would be nice if you can share my channel with your friends and family and anyone you know. Give it a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and tell me what you like about traveling, and tell me what you think about my videos, and just comment on stuff. I'm always happy to read your comments. So, yep, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.